Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good morning to one and all. Today we are going to learn algebra, and in that we are going to learn chapter sets. Now, what are sets? Like flower, buckets, flock of birds, pile of notebooks, collection of numbers. These all come in set. So we use special word for each of the collection. In all the above examples, we can clearly list the object of the collection. We call the collection of such objects as set. Let's come to the main topic, which is set. The name of the set is given using capital letters like capital A, B, C till Z. The members or element of the set are shown by small letters, which is small a, small b, small c till Z. And how to write element and sets? Like A is an element of set A. How to write this statement? Like A, this is a sign of element, member or belongs to. A is an element of set A. A belongs to capital A belongs to set A, like this. And if A is not an element of set A, then we write it as A, not element, set A. Now, let us observe the set of numbers. N, capital N, is a set of natural numbers. We define set in curly brackets or parentheses like this. These are curly brackets or parentheses. We always used to write sets in this brackets only. Not to use and never to use this curve brackets or square brackets. Only use curly brackets. Like 1, 2, 3. These all start. These are natural numbers in one set. And W, capital W, is a set of whole numbers. 0, 1, 2. Whole numbers include 0 also. That's why the whole number starts from 0. It is a set of whole numbers. Now capital I is a set of integers which include 0, negative numbers and positive numbers. Q is a set of rational numbers. We use capital Q for rational numbers, and capital R is a set of real numbers. Now the next topic in this chapter is method of writing sets. The first is listing method, and the second name of listing method is roster method. In this method we write all the elements of set in curly brackets. As you all know, each of the element is separated with commas and written only once. And the order of an element is not important, but it is necessary to write all the elements of set. Like example, the set of odd numbers between 1 and 10 can be written as capital A. Whatever you want, you can give the name of the set, but you should take capital letters only. 3, 5, 7, 9. These are the odd numbers between the number 1 and 10. Or you can also write 7, 3, 5, 9. As it is written, that order is not important. Now, in this topic, the second method is rule method, or the second name of rule method is set builder form. Okay. In this method, we do not write a list of an element, but write a general element using vertical line followed by a vertical line or colon, and write the property of the variable. For example, set A is equal to curly brackets x, and x, now we are defining what is x. X belongs to n, capital N, which is natural numbers, where x is greater than 1 and but smaller than 10. Now then the curly brackets close, and read as set A is the set of